Hello, good morning to all grade 2 pupils. It's time to study, learn, and practice using our module in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let us make sure that we have with us our module in English. Let us also prepare our pencil and our notebook, which we will use to write our answers on. Let us check once more if we have the needed materials for our modular session today. Module in English, check. Pencil, check. Notebook, check. Okay, now I can see that you are all ready. This time, let's start.
Our lesson for today is about using personal pronouns. Did you know that to avoid repetition of names, personal pronouns are used? I know that you are a smart kid, that's why you will be able to learn the proper way of using personal pronouns in your day-to-day life. For what I need to know at the end of this module, you are expected to number 1, identify pronouns, and number 2, use pronouns in simple sentences correctly. For what I know, this is a family picture. Let's identify nouns in the picture. Use your finger to point out and name every noun that you see in the family picture. For what's in, remember, pronouns are words that used in place of nouns. These include I, you, we, she, he, they, and it. Read and observe the following sentences. Example number 1, Sheila wants to eat. She wants to eat. Sheila is a noun. She is a pronoun referring to Sheila. Number 2, Gabriel is my friend. He is my friend. Gabriel is a noun and he is a pronoun referring to Gabriel. Number 3, apple is red. It is red. Apple is a noun. It is a pronoun referring to the apple. Number 4, the children are playing. They are playing. Children is the noun and they is the pronoun, referring to the noun children. For what's new, let's read the story entitled Milka by Sarah May Jane S. Espiritu. Milka is a young girl. She loves to play with her playmates. Every time her mother cooks vegetables for lunch, she does not want to eat. Before she sleeps, her father brings her a glass of milk. Milka does not drink it. Instead, she throws it outside the window. One morning, Milka did not get up from her bed. She is not feeling well. Mother went to her room to get her up. "Oh, Milka, what is wrong with you?" Her father and mother got worried. They decided to see a doctor. Dr. Rene Alvaro checked on Milka's condition. He informed the parents that Milka needs to eat vegetables, fruits, and to drink more water and milk too. Milka learned her lesson. She learned the importance of eating vegetables and drinking milk for her body. Let us answer the questions orally. Number 1, who is the young girl in the story? A. Dina, B. Lena, C. Milka, D. Sheila. Number 2, what food does her mother prepare? A. Cheeseburger, B. Fries, C. Hot dog, D. Vegetable. Number 3, what does her father bring her every night? A. Coffee, B. Juice, C. Milk, D. Soft drinks. Number 4, what happened to Milka one morning? A. She played outside. B. She went to church. C. She went to school. D. She did not get up from her bed. Number 5. Who informed the parents that Milka needs to eat vegetables, fruits, and to drink more water and milk? A. Doctor. B. Neighbor. C. Teacher. D. Pilot. Remember this? A personal pronoun is the replacement or substitute of a noun. Let's observe the nouns and pronouns in the table. Nouns, which are female or being talked about, example, woman or girl, the pronoun for that is she. For male, being talked about, example, man or boy, the pronoun is he. Things or animals being talked about, the pronoun for that is it and they. It for one, they for many. Self or speaker, the pronoun is I. For person being talked to, the person or the pronoun is you. For two or more persons being talked about, example, girls or children, the pronoun is they. And others, including yourself, example, the children and I, the pronoun for that is we. For what's more, match the pictures with the appropriate pronouns. Write the letter of the correct answer on a sheet of paper. Here are the choices. Letter A, he. Letter B, she. Letter C, we. Letter D, it. Letter E, I. Letter F, they. Letter G, you. For letter B, choose the appropriate pronoun for the given picture. Write your answer on a sheet of paper. For number 1, the choices are it, he, she, we. Number 2, the choices are he, I, she, they. Number 3, the choices are she, it, we, you. Number 4, the choices are she, I, it, we. Number 5, the choices are he, it, she, they. Number 6, the choices are it, they, we, you. And number 7, the choices are I, they, we, you. Letter C, match column A with column B by writing the letter before each number. Write your answer on a sheet of paper. Here are the choices in column B. Letter A, they. Letter B, it. Letter C, he. Letter D, she. Letter E, I. Letter F, you. For letter D, look at each picture below, choose the appropriate pronoun in the box, and write it on the blank to complete the sentence. Do the activity on a sheet of paper. Here are the choices: he, she, they, I, we, you, it. Number 1, Mark plays his guitar. Number 2, Emma dances gracefully. Number 3, diamond shines like a star in the sky. Number 4, my classmate and I sing the national anthem every Monday morning. Number 5, Carol, as the speaker, won first prize in the raffle. Number 6, Carlo, spoken to, our good leader. Carlo, spoken to, is a good leader. Number 7, the children are happy in the party. For the assessment, complete the story by writing appropriate pronoun. Choose from the list inside the box. Write your answer on a sheet of paper. Here are the choices: he, she, they, I, we, you, it. My Family by Sarah Marie Jane S. Espiritu. My father's name is Rennie. Number 1, blank is the head of our family. Number 2, blank works all day to provide the food and needs of her family. My mother's name is Sarah. Number 3, blank gives light to our family. Number 4, blank makes sure that everyone and everything is fine. My siblings are Rensar, Renster, and Pengmir. Number 5, blank help each other keep our house clean and organized. I am Rennie Jane, the youngest in our family. Number 6, blank give a smile to everyone's face. Number 7, blank make them happy all the time. My family and I in a small house. Number 8, blank is a bungalow type. Blank is a home that is full of love and happiness. As a family, blank always show our love for each other. For the additional activities, write 4 sentences about yourself and underline the pronouns used in your sentences. You may ask your parents to help you. Do this on a sheet of paper. Thank you, kids. Remember, it is important to learn how to use pronouns to avoid the repetition of names, especially in sentences and stories. This is Teacher Carmela M. Santos leaving you with a message. Patuloy na magbasa, patuloy na matuto, patuloy na magsanay. #ProjectAppear. See you then!